There's just a bug. Giant poop.
That's not a poop.
Yeah. So giant poop. Help! But I said no helping.
Jeffay, this is for you.
Thank you.
Syra, look, I have a surprise. Syra.
What?
This
You're so kind. Love you, Ty.
Love you. That's for you guys.
Hey!
And later I'm gonna give you a tomato. Look guys, this is a tomato farm. And hindi na siya na-harvest, no? They don't harvest it na.
Mabubulok na yan.
Yeah. And there are lots of tomatoes here, there, oh. What's that mountain?
Treasure mountain?
No,
What?
that's
A
Mount
hill?
Banahaw. Mount Banahaw.
We always follow Tatay. Always follow Tatay. It's everywhere.
What happened to you? Oh! Well, that's so funny. Oh, that's so funny. One more. I'm gonna push you. Push you. That's so funny. Okay, I'm gonna iwan you here. You will. Bye bye, Scarecrow. Watch it. Come on, be faster. Oh, the poop coming to you. There's a poop. There's a poop. Come on, be faster. You can do it. You said you don't need help.
I need na.
Okay, now you go walk lang. Come on.
Tayo, just go.
Just go, just walk lang.
Just lang.
Oh no, the poop is beside you. Oh, don't cry. Come on. Bilis. No, it's okay.
It's okay. There's no hole.
Come on. There's no hole there. Yeah. Okay, let's go. You're fine. No, you're fine. You're so brave, man. Oh, handshake. Let's handshake. 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 Handshake.
Tumatawa ka ba?
Clap, clap, clap. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys.
Sana magmahal before the zombie gets us. Are you crying or just saying yan? Makaya! Tay!
What?
Makaya!
Shy plant? Is that a shy plant? Careful, might sting you.
Like me.
Yeah. Oh, there's lots of makahiya here. Oh.
Big one? Are they getting you? Maybe you, because you're not getting faster. We're going down.
Got... No, it's okay lang. Go lang. Go ahead lang. Go ahead lang. Go lang. Go lang. Go lang. Go. Don't mind it. Just don't mind the bee. It will not sting you.
But they sting.
Yeah, just don't mind them. It will not hurt you.
They will never leave us alone.
Yeah, the bees will...
There's a pony, ah.
Oh, there's a pony there.
Yes,
Just don't mind the bee and they will ignore you.
But this mountain too.
Yeah.
I like you get to me.
You like that?
Yeah.
It's my surprise to you.
Yeah. And then I will give you a big surprise. So big.
You got the wrong way, guys. I love you too, Saira.
So high, right?
Yeah, you'd like to swim there?
No.
You can dive from here.
No. Are you die?
No, dive.
But I'm not going to float.
It will, you will.